Top quality tyres that are well maintained can increase the safety, performance and economy of your vehicle. At Cleveland Tyres, we offer a huge range of products and services at great prices. The expert team at our state-of-the-art tyre centre in Birkenhead can help you to keep your vehicle driving smoothly, efficiently and safely. With many years of experience in our industry, our team can recommend, supply and fit tyres for all kinds of vehicles. Our friendly and helpful team of experts provide tyre balancing services for all makes and models. If you get a puncture, our puncture repair service means we can check your tyre and, if possible, repair it according to strict British standards. Our professional team of experts can provide affordable wheel alignment and wheel tracking services, helping your vehicle to handle properly and be economical and safe on the road. Correctly aligned wheels not only help with smooth, problem-free driving, they can also help you avoid unnecessary, costly repairs and replacements. We have a huge selection of tyres. All our nearly new tyres are thoroughly tested and fully guaranteed, so you can drive away with complete peace of mind. Cleveland Tyres, Birkenhead's tyre professionals. Give us a call or visit our website today.